Duan, what's up? What up, y'all? What up, y'all? What up, y'all? Third pupil, what's happening? What's up, man? Joel, what's good? Good morning, good morning. Good evening. Mara, good morning. Riso, what's happening? What's happening, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? Well, would you looky here? Would you looky here? We have a 1 hour closure above a key level. We've already tapped in, right? If price starts breaking these highs right here, then guess what? Then guess what? What we got on the daily right here? What we got on the daily? Not much. Potentially a level in here. Let's have a look. Seems about right. What's up, Jordan? What's up, Brad? Diana? Good afternoon. We good, man? Yeah, great weekend, brother. Great weekend, man. How about you guys? Oh shit, best start with TikTok. How about you guys? How about you guys? How was your weekend? This level... Oh, the TikTok's updating. Let's have a look. This is the daily. We got daily open. We got previous daily low. We've got essentially these levels in here that haven't been tapped. Essentially in here, levels. All the way up there. Yeah, so very nice. Let's see. Closure above key level. We've tapped in. Breaking previous highs. If those trades were my live account. Did you find a car or what? Jordan. Or was it? He didn't bother. Shit weather. What's the 4 hour doing? Let's have a look at the 2 hour. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Previous 4 hour bullish. We got 4 hour highs over here. Let me double check that. Let me just double check this. Blue with the purple. Monetization tips. Now, during live, you can see monetization that suggest play it together with your viewers. Okay. All right. Let's wait for everyone to get in. We're gonna go live on TikTok right now. I was pissing it down. What kind of car are you looking to buy, bro? What's this? Highlight? Record. Highlight, what does that do? Alright, the TikTok is up. The TikTok is up. Alright, let's see. So we got 4-hour highs right here. I was looking at this Golf. Insurance will be 8K. Jesus Christ, brother. Didn't even see that. Oh, I did see that sell. That was a 52 pip sell. Alright, so there's the 4-hour highs. So what we can wait for is closures above this level. And now fill the range up in here, which is about 33 pips. What's up, Seal? Amas. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly, bro. What's up, TikTok? What's up, K-Car? Give me 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. Did I get a haircut? Nah, this is just my hair. Like, usually I style it. Usually I'll like flick it up. Oh, you can't hear me on TikTok? Oh, my bad. Can you hear me now? Is that better? Yeah, you can hear me now. Sorry, guys. You should hear me now. Yeah, you should hear me now on TikTok. Yeah? Yeah. Nah, I didn't get a haircut. This is my hair, but usually I like style it. I have it like up, but I can't be arsed, so I'll just let it go flat. You hear me? All right, good. What's up, Jeff? Potential, if anyone here from chat UK know how insurance. Oh, bro, Jordan, I know how insurance is in the UK, bro. I'm from the UK originally. Like, I know that shit is crazy. It's nothing like that over here, bro. Insurance is nothing like that over here. You pay more for insurance in the UK than you will for the actual car, man. Where do I live? Australia. Good morning, good afternoon from South Africa. What's up, Lorraine? South Africa, we got a couple people from South Africa in the house already. Let's go. Potential buys, yeah, Riso. Potential buys of this level here. You want to see a closure above. You can see from the hourly perspective, the hourly is a decent entry, right? Because look what's happened. That found resistance. We're at key level, found resistance. Price then popped above on this hourly candle right here, closed above, tapped in. We've tapped into this key level now, and now it's driving, breaking those previous highs. But we got this level right here now that we need to see broken. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Zero? Good morning, good evening to you. Appreciate you, bro. paid 5k for a Range Rover Vogue insurance. What, in the UK? What's up, Travels? Who was voted in as president? Lorraine? You should come to South Africa. Everyone says that. Nothing yet, but my bet is on ANC again. What's up, Omo? Yeah, that insurance is crazy. UK insurance on cars is crazy, man. All right, let's see. Let's see. Closures above. We need closures above. 3 minutes left till this 15. Pardon me. How's Australia? Australia is good, man. Paid 2.5k on my first year on insurance. The car was 1.5. Fuck, man. That's fucked. What's up? Try me. What's happening in South Africa with the president and Lorraine? What's going on? Is it bad or is it good? What's up, Omar? We live every day. Let's go. Hopefully I can get a trade. Hopefully I can get a trade into down the live. Let's see. ANC gonna win. They always win. What's ANC? What's up, trader men? I'm planning to relocate to Australia with my family. Is it a good move? Where are you from? Where are you from, Omar? Nice haircut. Yo, leave my hair alone, man. You guys are too focused on the hair, not the trading. It's because I've been wearing a hat. I've been wearing a beanie. It's just flat. I can't be arsed. Can't be asked styling it. African National Congress. So what's the opposing team? If ANC, you think ANC are gonna win it? What's the opposing team? You're from South Africa as well? Man, we've got a lot of South Africans in here, man. The ANC is the party that is in rule in South Africa. Oh, okay. So I had a fresh cut. Nah, it's not. Everyone keeps saying it's just because my hair is just flat. I haven't styled it today. We're wearing a hat. This is my hair normally. This is my hair naturally, just flat, without any products in it. But I mean, who cares? We're not here. This isn't a fucking haircutting contest. I'm from Pakistan, new to your channel. What's up, Mariam? As long as the ANC in control, it will always be bad. Fresh haircut. So ANZ is in trouble. We have voted well as Africans. Now the other parties have a chance. Yo, CC, thank you for the follow. Skio Brass, thank you for the follows on TikTok. All right, let's see. 10 seconds. So doesn't look like we're getting a closure above here for this 15, which is also a 30-minute in 3 seconds. Come up, it spiked out once. Let's have a look at the 5. Let's like the live. Yeah, let's go. Let's like the live, guys, on TikTok. Yo, Google, thank you for the diamonds, bro. So Cody put it's funny hair. Wait, what? You watched the football last night? The final? Nah, I didn't. I watched the highlights. If it's not an English team, bro, I ain't fucking bothered, to be honest. If it's not an English team, I ain't bothered. You best go and put it on. You know these questions will last the whole of the stream. My hat's right here. Should I put it on? Everyone violating about your trim. Bro, like, what the fuck, man? Like, this is the problem with this generation. Everyone, we're here to trade and make money, and people are focused on the haircut, man. Like, what the fuck? Nah, to be fair, a lot of people have been commenting the haircut, even though it's literally just a flat haircut. What English team do I support? Aston Villa. Did I take Sal's earlier? Yeah, I took Sal's earlier. What was I about to do? Oh, I didn't post it in the... I didn't post the live stream in here yet, did I? Oh yeah, the sales earlier. Fuck, I got so sidetracked then. Yeah, these are my sales earlier. Oh, yeah, these were the sales earlier. This was posted in the Discord. Offer key level provided by the indicator, the retest on the 5 minute, the candle pattern, fake out, tap in. Got a sell signal on the 5 as well. Enter on the break of the lows. Nice trade. To the downside. That was my trade there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you for all the likes on YouTube, guys. Thank you very much. Don't put the cap on. All right. Any comments drive traffic? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, roast the trim all you want, man. Roast me all you want, but you're buffering up the stream. You know what I'm saying? Buffering, is that the right word? I don't think so, but Alpus. Nah, Discord is for members only, bro. Sorry. Bro said, please say the Discord is free. You can actually get Discord. You can actually get access to the Discord through the YouTube, through a YouTube membership now. Through a YouTube membership, which is like nothing. New little feature, you know. Because we got a YouTube partner, I can add a few of these little different features now. Know what I'm saying? Down, 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 down. The YouTube partner. Pop out dashboard. That do. That ain't. Just like that. All right, let's see. We're waiting for. We're waiting to see what price does here. We're waiting to see. What leverage you get with Blackball? 1 to 500. GJ tapping back down like you said in the analysis. Let's have a look at GJ. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at it. Wait for the levels to load. My computer is... I've got 2 streams going right now. I've got 2 streams going, the TikTok and the YouTube. I've got the music playing off YouTube. I've got the Telegram on. I've got the Discord running. I've got so much shit open right now. My computer is like somehow managing to run all these tasks. Oh, beautiful. So where did I say? Into this level? Yeah, it was this level, wasn't it? Or was it? No, it was this level. Where is it? Down in here. It was one of these levels, wasn't it? It was taps down into here, maybe here and then here. No, it was down in here, and then I said break of weekly structure, daily structure, and we could come down into these levels. Yeah, beautiful. That was the GJ analysis given in the Telegram, by the way, guys. Played out beautifully. Oh, there is the textbook CPAC fake out entry right there, right? The key level, pop above, pop back below, you get the fake out, boom, boom. The tap into that level, break of the lows, and look at that sell off from there. Textbook. Even over here on the 2 hour as well. You got the close above, the fake out, then we close below this level, this blue level, just about, if you have a look. Just about closes below it. And then you get the tap. You get the next tap. Boom. Breaks the lows. 100 pip moves so far. Alright, let's see. Yeah, Queen Boss, babe. Most offer 1 to 30, right? But Blackball doesn't. Gives you the full. Oh, a fresh cut. Who is this? It ain't a fresh cut, bro. It's just. Yo, Sarif. Appreciate the diamonds. Let's go. What's up, Tony? I want to move to Australia too. Yeah, come over, Tony, man. Come on, bro. Just do it, bro. What is CPAC? Code is price action concepts, Tony. Code is price action concepts. What we use in the streams. I have no clue what's going on today. She had me bugging. Yeah. Yo, Nix, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Well, basically, my position. What we got? Did it close above? No, it didn't. Got the next 5 to wait for. So my position came in here. So I was trying to capture the 15 closure below this level down here today. And as you can see, this 15-minute candle just drove all the way down. Didn't give any entries. So as price started to come back up in here, I was just watching the 5 to see how it would form, right? And you can see the key level given by the indicator right here. This red line given by the indicator. Price came up, it tapped back into this overall key level that we can see, the gray line. Tapped in, retested, and then you had that exact same candle pattern that I just showed you there on GJ, right? You have the closure above, the fake out, right? The fake back in, close back below, the tap, right? So that's important. The tap back into this level with this wick right here, and then a break of the lows. And my entry was in here on the break, stops above there, and then I got targeted like the 1-to-1 down in this level right here. And yeah, bought like this move coming down. It was about 23 pips. Yeah, beautiful. So that's the CPAC right there, the fake out, the CPAC fake out. Classic. I'll show you guys an example of this every stream pretty much, I think. Oh, here we go. We got a 5-minute coming above now. We got a 15-minute closure as well in about 4 minutes. So let's see. What we're rating my setup in the Discord. Oh, nice. Our bro's got the Starbucks. Let's go. Oh, you got the stream, the chat monitor. Do you stream? Do you stream, Jordan? You got the chat monitor on the right there, bro. God damn. All right, does this just drive? There's the hourly analysis playing out. The level closure above, the tap in. See, we've tapped in right here. Tapped in. Boom. Break of the highs. And now it's just filling this range already. So no 15 closure above, but the hourly played out beautifully. Got it just for the charts. I need me a monitor like that. Who is sell position? Nobody's in the sell right now. So if you was one of the first people in the streams today on YouTube, you would have saw this this setup. DP got smashed. Let's go, Jen. Right. Hourly played out perfectly. Very nice. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go back down to the 5. That range just got filled instantly. Instantly. Hey, Miss H. So I rate your setup. It's a solid setup, nice and clean. Nothing overwhelming. Oh, you got like the money, you got the cash. Mouse pad type thing right there, bro. Well, all right. 5 has closed, rejecting. 15 has closed, rejecting. Nice little break of tap in, closure, break. I mean, at this point, that's the move. for right now, right? That was the move on the hourly right there, analyzed. Happening to here, that was the target, because obviously over to the left, as you can see, price broke this. We needed taps of this level. We've now got taps of this level. So where can this continue to, right? If this 4 hour, we got 2 hours left of this 4 hour candle, where can this 4 hour start coming back up into, right? If we look at this key level over here and this key level over here, we can see on the 4 hour perspective that these levels have been broken, right? But they haven't been tapped yet. So price is going to start, if price starts coming up here, obviously, these are going to be magnets for price right now. Come back into. We've got a 2 hour closure in 13 minutes. So we can get 2 hour closure. Like if you have a look on the 2 hour time frame right here, look at the rejection to this level to the left, right? Look at all these wicks in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? All these rejections in here at this level. So if this 2 hour can actually close above here in 13 minutes, then guess what? You can look for the taps back down in here or even here. And then we can look at the continuation to the upside. If it doesn't just start driving at this point. What's up, Kiwi Girl? Over the weekend, over the weekend, right? Somebody sent me a video on or a link, a TikTok live link on my Instagram, and I was like, "Yo, Cody, I've just been on TikTok and I've just been watching some trading streams." And I realized that the guy who was streaming on TikTok, was recording his screen on his phone, but then playing my stream in the background, pretending that my voice was his voice, right? So my stream was playing and my voice was playing, but he was recording his charts, pretending to, I don't know, it was weird. So there's people out there. So that's why I said that, because I need to remember to just start saying Forex with Cody live on YouTube, Forex with Cody live on YouTube, right? Every now and then, so that when people are watching these people's streams who are pretending to be me, Cody about to bust some drill, pretending to be me, they know that it's, you know, they know where to come for the real me. It wasn't me. I could do not trading on keyboard with number keypad. Oh yeah, I know, Zero. That quick dialing in. Why not just put a watermark? I don't like watermarks. I mean, I could, but it just makes my chart seem just, I don't know, messy. But you can't see it anyway, guys. You can't see the watermark on TikTok anyway. You can only see the end part of it, the 1H part. If you guys want to see the full chart, just come over to the YouTube channel. If you're on TikTok, you want to see the full chart, come over to YouTube. We're live on YouTube. All right. 46 pips, very nice. I've seen a few of them when I go on tickers. So many scams on it. It's just brand. Yeah. TikTok's fucked, man. TikTok is really good. Like for the streams, it gets a lot of engagement, a lot of people, which then brings them over to the YouTube channel. But I stream on YouTube. Yeah, I've streamed on YouTube the whole time, Zan. For the long run. I started streaming on YouTube first, and then started streaming on TikTok. All right, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what is happening. The daily has come down, spiked out the previous daily lows. Now we flip bullish, right? This is the first day of the monthly weekly open. So let's have a look at the monthly. What could the monthly be doing? The monthly has created a bottom wick at this point of 124 pips ish, right? And you know what? Let me just get rid of all the analysis. The monthly's created a bottom wick and it's looking to push up and break, you know, current highs and continue bullish. I'm going to mark out the monthly open, previous monthly close, current monthly open. I'm going to mark out that previous monthly level right there. And of course, we got the monthly highs up here, which is quite far away. We don't need to really be marking those levels in. So in terms of daily, what can we look at? Where is price currently sitting at potentially? It's like in these areas. Like in these areas. In here. I'm gonna put that for now. Although that did come first. Yo, what's up, Ahmad? I need to see whether this level is the level or whether this level is the level. So we'll check on that. Could be both, but let me check on that. So in terms of weekly, we've spiked out the previous weekly lows down in here. I'll mark that out. We got like this level, like these levels in here. Not too worried about that right now because we're pushing up. Potential targets could be in here and potentially there. About that. So what is that level? Is it that or is it that? Let me see. Let me see on the daily. Is it that or is it that? I think it's this. I'm gonna go with that. So we've got these levels on the daily. Where could we be spiking back up into? We've got this level first. Next target could be probably, see a more clear view of that in, go back to the weekly. Coming up, next targets could potentially be in here, which would be around about there. Yeah, beautiful. Next targets tapped in, broke, close above. Yeah, so with that level in between there's not really much to look for. We've broken previous 4-hour highs in there. Price starts closing above this level, then we're going to come up then and fill that next range, which is up here. potentially up here for the week and the monthly perspective. We've got rejection in these areas, so that's something we need to be wary of, which is also just potentially this level where price is tapping into. So I think the way it's opened up here, 2 hours, the way it's opened up, price come down, tapped in there, faked out, came above, goes above. It's the daily, previous daily level. Yeah, potentially like a mid-range in that area. Not worried about that. What is that level? Let me just mark that out real quick and let's just see what it looks like on the lower time frames. Tapping, close below, tapped in, close back above, 1, 4, tapped in there, close it below. Okay, this is level. So we got more of like the short-term range from here to here. It's about, what's that, about 25 pips, and then the overall range and target up here about 35 pips. Overall, it's about a 58, 59 pip range. But first of all, we need to see how this hourly closes. Also the 2 hourly in 2 minutes. Let's see. Let's all double tap and get the live to 20 likes. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get the TikTok live stream to 20k likes. No trade first day of the month. I took some beautiful trades today, man. If you know how to trade properly, it doesn't matter what time of the day, month, year it is. That wasn't meant to be like a, you know, an insult. That wasn't meant to be an insult. I'm just saying. Buy, not yet. Potentially. We've got a minute left here. Minute 20 left. To see how this hourly candle closes. We can then potentially go down to the lower time frames. Just not really liking like the hourly price action around these levels, right? It's a bit, if you look over to the left here, it's not very clean. Same in here, same in here. Yo, X, appreciate the follow on TikTok, man. Appreciate you. What have I been up to today? Today, Mondays is my my day with my daughter. So my wife's at work, so I stay home and look after my daughter for the day. And we went to the park. We just messed around, ate some food. You know, play with some toys, all that normal, you know, parent stuff. Then at 3 o'clock, I came into my office, started trading. We got my setup, made 1.4k. Went back outside, continued to play with my daughter, and then my partner came home, and we what did we do? We had some dinner. Had some salmon and rice, veggies. Then I came back into my office. I did some videos, did some updates for the academy, for the V4 manual. had a shower, and then started the stream. Yo, Zinniac, hey Al, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Welcome to the YouTube live session. Welcome to the YouTube live session. All right, let's have a look here. 4H, 4H, 4H. We've got this level in here as well. Yeah, this level. Let's have a look at this level in 5 minutes. Let's have a look at this level. Good day to you, Austin. What's happening, Austin? My uncle is helping me to trade, but not as patient as you are. You reckon it'll keep driving? Yeah, I think it will keep driving. 100%. Well, not 100% is going to keep driving, but in my, like right now, it just depends on the way you trade, right? The way I trade is I trade with current momentum, current direction, and right now what we're seeing is the momentum is to the upside, right? Currently, if you're looking at the weekly, the weekly's flip bullish, right? The current weekly candle is bullish. The daily is flip bullish. 12 hour is bullish. 8 hour is bullish. 4 hour is bullish. 2 bullish candles in a row, creating lows, highs, lower highs. Sorry, lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs. 2 hour, look at the current momentum on the 2 hour here. 1, 2, 3, potentially 4 bullish candles. Hourly as well, pushing up. The momentum right now also broke out of like bearish market structure. As you see prices coming down, lower highs, lower lows in this market structure formation. We broke out of this level right here, right? We just tapped out, potentially created a new high. So even if we come down, I think potentially we can continue up. But I just follow the current momentum, the current trend until it changes, right? Until it changes. So like I said, we could see price coming down into these levels for a retest potentially, but overall I think for today we can continue bullish. But it all depends how price starts to react around this level. This is a key level in the market. You can see we've already rejected off there quite heavily, and price is kind of stalling in this area. So you need to see clean price action above here if we're going to continue up into the next level. Let's see. Let's see. I don't like how many levels I got on the chart right now. It's annoying me. That makes it look better for some reason. And it's trying to predict the reversal. That's where I constantly go wrong. Yeah, I mean that's where a lot of people go wrong in trading, right? They see something, for example, like this, and go. I mean, in this instance, it potentially worked, but they would see like a sharp move down like this, and they'll go, oh, well, maybe they'll see it bounce here, right? They'll see this move down and go, oh, that's quite a big move to the downside. Price has to come up at some point, right? Like, surely it can't just go down forever. So, oh, look at this. We're hitting support here. It's bouncing. I'm going to buy. Price goes up a little bit, and then boom, goes down, hits their stop loss. And then they'll see this move up right here, and they'll go, whoa, that's a big move to the upside. Like, surely it can't continue to the upside. Look, we're in like a bit of a key level right here. I'm going to sell. And then price goes into a bit of profit, and then boom, it's the stop loss again, right? It's just about For me personally, I just prefer trading with the current momentum, the current direction of the market. That's where I found my success. That's where I found my consistency. Obviously, there's going to be people who trade differently. Doesn't mean that it's wrong, or I'm wrong, or they're wrong, or anybody's wrong. People have their strategies. People have their, you know, their plans. But me personally, I just prefer to trade with the trend, with the momentum. What's up, Baroni? Baroni, baloney. Yo, we got the first member on YouTube since we became partner. Let's go. Winding. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Welcome to the YouTube gang. I think that means you get access to the Discord, no? Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. Welcome to the YouTube gang. Is this gold you're trading? Yeah, this is gold. We're waiting for something to happen right here, right? We either want price to come down, give us a retracement to continue, or if price starts coming down below these levels, right, then you can potentially expect a deeper pullback. But right now, we're seeing how price is reacting in here. Obviously, it's rejecting a bit, but we'll see. Yo, Hakim, thank you for the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go. My guy. Oh, what just happened? What's up, Nermo? What's up, man? Great tips, bro. I learned that by watching your lives after losing thousands. Damn, bro. Yeah, Ty, we're waiting to see what happens at this level, bro. We're waiting to see. Some low volume currently right now, right? We're seeing some low volume candles. We got the rejection of this key level. We're seeing this low volume candle close here on the 15 minute, and this current 15 is struggling a little bit to move at this point. What's up, Mario? I'm sweating? What do you mean I'm sweating? Can't be called the big sell-off, you reckon, Toby? What's good, AMG? How often? I usually do monthly, bro. Usually do monthly. I try not to withdraw too much. If I don't need to, but yeah, usually it's monthly. Daniel, appreciate the sub. Amira, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Go, boys and girls. Oh, so we had the hourly closed, the hourly rejected, and it's now closed here at this level. I'm gonna get rid of this for now. Don't need that until price starts coming back down. Want to keep the charts as clean as possible. Am I compounding? Not at this stage. No, I did compound heavily when I first started trading like a few years ago. But not at this stage, no. I don't really need to compound anymore. But compounding is a very, very good technique to build your account quickly if you're profitable. If you're profitable and you have low capital, and you can put like, you know, anywhere from like 50 to 100 in your account each week, as well as make small profits, your account is going to grow very quickly. Trust me. It may not seem like it in the beginning, but it will, you know, give it a few months. If you're putting in like 50 to 100 a week, plus making a couple of % profit each week, you're going to see that account jump quite quickly. All right, let's see. Let's see. 5. So we've got a closure back above this level on the 5. Can this current 5 minute come back down and tap in? Can we come and tap in here before it drives? When does one stop compounding? When your account is at a point where you don't need to compound anymore. You can make enough off your account as it is without compounding. Compounding is a great tool. I mean, you can compound your account at all times, right? Like throughout your trading career. You can never really stop compounding your account, but for me personally right now, that's not my focus. My focus is building my capital outside of my trading account. My focus has flipped. Sorry, what is compounding? So compounding is a technique, you know, in trading, in Forex, it can be related to, for example, if you have low capital, or it doesn't even matter if you have low capital. Compounding is having your account, your trading account, right? Having a certain amount in there. Say you deposit $100 into account and you start trading that $100 and you're making small profits. Compounding your account is just keep adding money to that account each week. Say, for example, from your job, from your 9 to 5. When you get paid, you add 50 in, right? You continue to trade that account, and then next week you get paid. You put another 50 in. You can continue to trade your account. And then you put another 50 in, and then you put another 100 in, and you continue to trade that account and add money, right? You're compounding your account each time. Mary, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Yeah, this is gold. It's currently not really doing anything right now, to be honest. The breakage level is not really doing anything right now. This is the level we're really interested in price coming above. Price can come above this level. We can see some nice price action in here. Then potentially fill this range here, like up into the next level, about 25 pips, but you marked key level exactly what I'm thinking. It means our strategy is similar. Since 2011, I'm in Forex market die to the lack of discipline violation. I'm failure since a year. I'm profitable. Oh, nice, normal. Nice, bro. 2011, damn, that's a long time, bro. Tyler, appreciate the follow. Philly, so I was actually working on that today. So the only problem now that I've realized with doing the copy trading on Blackball is that they don't accept US or Canadian clients, right? Like a lot of brokers don't now. So that's the next issue I've ran into with that. So now I have to find, either I just go ahead with it and just forget about the American and Canadian people, or I try and find something else now. But a lot of brokers don't accept US and Canadian clients anymore. What's up, Jordan? Yo, Franz, we're just looking for price to come above this level. Canada is overregulated. So is Australia, to be honest. But most places still accept Australian clients. Do they accept Japan residents? I'm pretty sure, yeah. Yeah, copy trading, Jordan. Did I hear you? I don't find any broker for US because the laws, yeah. So how am I going to do it then? If you guys want to see the exact levels of the zones from TikTok, you need to come over to the YouTube channel. US laws closed for FX broker, really? I knew it was bad, but I didn't realize like they completely cut off everything. Got to be a way around it though. There's always a way. Yo, Baroni, appreciate the diamonds, bro. Yeah, you can, Queen. I mean, we get very limited in Australia to 1 to 30, 1 to 20 leverage on gold, but no selling. I mean, no selling. Yeah, Jordan, exactly. If I did set it up, you'd have to sign up to Blackbull as well, and then attach your account to there. That's the other thing, which is fine. Blackbull's a good broker. I would never make anybody go with a dodgy ass broker, like, you know, that I wasn't comfortable with. So how much profit? Today's trade right here, 1.4, 2.4%, creeping up on 60k, about 650-ish away, creeping up on 60k. 19 pips today. So look at the stats. New month. So May ended off 79% win rate. 19 trades, 79% win rate. We are now 71 wins, 35 losses, 66.9, almost a 67% win rate, 202% account gain, 765 pips total secured. Since the start of the year, Alex, 10k. Look at the monthly. Yeah, monthly's looking like bottom wick formed, looking like price can continue, right? This is what I'm anticipating. Katie, the grey ones are ones that I've drawn just they can't using the indicator as well. If you go on the indicator and you turn on the daily weekly levels, and then you go daily level shown, you just put 22, and weekly level shown you put 5, it's going to show you these levels from the previous weeks, right? Which are the levels that you can see right here. This is you can see that the indicator gave this level right here, this green level behind this gray one, right? If I just delete it, you see that green level, the indicator gave that. So they are from the indicator, yes. The gray levels. You just have to look back. Go on to daily and weekly and look back. You can see the most current ones as well. The most current gray levels right here from today. You can see now they're red, right? This is from the indicator as well. See? Do I take one trade a day? Yeah, mostly, Alex. So with my trading plan, if I take one trade in a day and it's a winning trade, then I'll walk away. I'll close the charts. I'm done for the day. If I have a break-even trade or a losing trade, then I'll look for another trade to give it a second chance, right? If I have a losing trade or a break-even, I'll potentially look for another setup and give it a second chance. But otherwise, yeah, I'll take one trade. If it's a winning trade, I'm done for the day. That's it. A revenge trade? No, it's not revenge trading. It's called giving your analysis a second chance. Only if the analysis lines up again, right? If it doesn't line up, then I don't take another trade. Only if another setup forms during my trading window will I give the trade a second chance. Which indicator is that? Aki, you'll find it in the link in my profile, bro. Thank you, no worries, Katie. No worries. No bottom wick. Yeah, this it has a small bottom wick, but it has tapped back down into this level, you see? Beautiful key levels here. 5-minute closure coming up in a minute. Does it matter how much you win, or do you have a... No, I don't have a specific target, Alex. I usually just go off of how the candles are forming. Key levels in the market. Yo, Baroni, sorry my guy, I didn't see all the diamonds that you sent. Thank you very much, I appreciate you. Amani, thank you for the diamonds. Google, Sarif, countries, appreciate the diamonds, guys, on TikTok. In terms of like key levels that I'll target, yeah, I have like, for example, you know, I'll target the next key level up, but I won't have specific like profit target, like a money profit target, or like a percentage or anything. I'll just go based on key levels and price action. That's it. All right, let's see. What's this? 15. We got closure in 5 minutes. 5 has closed back inside. So again, we're just ranging a little bit here now, right? Price is ranging a bit. 5 minutes. So we can anticipate some kind of breakout. Either below here or above here. That's what we're waiting for. We're waiting to see either one. We now have 4 minutes left for a 15 closure. Projection. What did that 5 do? 5 came down, tap back into this level again. Also got a 30 closure in 3 minutes as well. So let's see how this 30 closes. Very important. Full time, Alex, as well as, you know, the other things, the education part of trading, some other things as well outside of trading, but mainly, yeah, trading full time and, you know, bits and pieces on the side. Multiple streams of income is what the goal. That was a fat sell-off. What do you mean? You're on the 1 minute time frame, aren't you, Jordan? You're looking at the 1 minute time frame. Here, 1 minute. Alright, this 30 is rejecting. What am I waiting for? I'm waiting to see like any kind of price action around this level, whether the price is going to close above and look to continue, or whether it's going to reject in this area and pull back down to these levels potentially. Or what was that? This area from the 4-hour time frame that was in here somewhere. Eventually, we'll have a look at that if that happens. Stop biting nails, please. Why? Is it offending you, Jay? Are you disgusted by me biting my nails? Yeah, you're on the 1 minute time frame, Jordan. Every little movement is gonna love you. Every little movement is gonna look like a huge sell-off. What's up, Matt? All right, we've got 1 minute left here. 1 minute left. Let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Give me something. Give me something. Give me a little something to go off right now. People. All right, it's the 5 closure, which would be the 30 closure back below. 15 close above, then close back below. Oh, it's doing something right now, guys. It's doing something. No, I don't, Matt. If someone's messaging you, asking you to invest, pretending to be me, that ain't me, bro. That ain't me, brother. I will never message you first, bro. But well done for coming in here and checking first. Well done, because yeah. All right, so the 15 closed above, which means the 30 closed above, which means if price wants to continue, it needs to come down and tap in first. We need to see a tap in here first. On. See if we're going to do 2 of 1 things. Come up and tap in here, flip bearish, close back below this level, continue down, right? Or we can see a tap, a rejection in here, price flipping, coming back up into these areas, and then overall back up into here. We got 30 minutes until New York session open. So there should be some volume coming in. What am I trading? This is gold. XAUUSD. JN said he's getting into sales as we speak. What happens when volume comes in? You can start seeing price move again, right? If you're looking on the lower time frames now, look at the 15. Low volume candles, right? 1, 2, 3, all with strong rejections to the upside. So 5 minute is literally consolidating in between these two areas that I have on the chart. I've captured it magnificently right here. I've got it tracked. Gold ain't going nowhere until I say so. Come on, oh, oh, no. We want it to tap. Let's have a look at the hourly. So the hourly rejected. Hourly 30. The 30 needs to tap. The 30 definitely needs to come down and tap in here, first of all. A voice channel in the Discord? That's always been there, bro. Hasn't it? Lounge? That's always been there, broski. Broski, broski. What do you think tonight? News? 11:45. Manufacturing. Oh dang, got gold. Oh yeah, you could potentially see some movement. All right, there you go. It tapped. It tapped in. Let's see. Let's see what happens from here. It tapped in. That's the 30-minute. It's looking good. Just that tap and the volume of London. We've got a lot of people getting into sales over here in the TikTok. Very nice. See the difference in opinions. The difference in opinions. I've been in a buy since 2324. Oh. My bias will flip from buys to sells if this 30-minute candle can close back below this area. If this 30-minute candle closes back below here, then I'll look at the potential sell. right now, I'm not interested in it personally. That's just me. If I'm going to look for a sell, I'd want to see price close back below these areas. The next 30 to tap in and then come down. That's based on my strategy. That was the perfect buy right there. For those who were in the YouTube stream straight away, today when it started up, you would have seen the analysis on the buys here on the 1 hour time frame for this hourly candle to come up into this next area. 30, 35 or so pips. Can you comment the news? The news, yeah, I mean, the news, what? Yeah, there's some red folder news tonight. Let's see what happens. Like, yeah, of course, it can have a bit of a reaction in the market. PMI. We got the first one dropping at 11:45, the next one at 12. So 2 red folder news. There for sure can be some kind of reaction in the market. I wouldn't say it's going to be huge, but I wouldn't say it's going to be like, you know, like NFP or interest rates or anything, but definitely have some kind of reaction in the market for sure. Yo, Anzip, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Thank you very much. Where can you look for that news? Forex Factory. Forex Factory. What's up, Safel? Take your profit, son, and get set. I'm not in any trades, Jayan. I am not in any trades, brother. What's up, Kumo? All right, let's see. 30-minute. Days for crypto market. I'm switching sides. That is. Am I interested in sales? Like I said, the only way I'm going to be interested in sales is if this 30-minute candle right here can close bearish below this area. Still got 20 minutes. The hourly, you know, the hourly is still bullish because, you know, we've got these levels right here creating bullish structure until like this current hourly candle comes all the way down here and breaks like the previous hourly low. The structure and the momentum overall is to the upside. So I would need some kind of confirmation that we're going to start coming back down on the 30 here. And that would have to be, obviously we broke 30-minute structure in terms of like higher highs and higher lows. That 30-minute bullish structure has been broken. And I would want to see a 30-minute closure below this level here. 2331145. If I was personally based on my strategy, if I was going to look at entering sales, that's what I'd look for. I'd look for this 30 closure below, tap back into here, and then the drive down. Just getting my cup of tea. All right, boys and girls. Let's lock back in. So that's a decent drop here. We've broke the 30-minute structure at this point. So where's that level now? Now we need to get that level back in over here. Now we need to get that level back in over here. Like in here, you can see all these wicks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Price rejecting over there. It's a nice level. Prices come back down to, right? All right. Too much shit going on in this chart right now. You're talking about this one right here, Marcel? Yeah, bro. Yeah, this level. What makes me different from other traders? You're gonna have to make that judgment by yourself. Ain't nobody like me in these areas, bro. I'll say that. It's nerve-wracking. There's not one nerve in my body right now. You guys always say I look nervous or something. But I can assure you I'm not nervous. Maybe it's because I bite my nails, but I've been doing that since I was like 13, 14, so. When's my birthday? Damn, that's a bit personal. My birthday is in January. Have I got a nice motor? I got a family car, Jordan. I'm potentially looking at getting like a nice one for myself though, soon. I got different priorities right now though, bro. Not too bothered about cars and shit at the moment. I'm more focused on businesses and stacking money. You're just bored waiting? Yeah, I mean, yeah. Like I've told you guys before, I don't sit and stare at the charts like this normally. I'm doing this for the stream, right? Obviously, I enjoy streaming with you guys and being here and doing analysis. But usually, I don't sit and stare at every single candle like this, right? I set my levels, I set my alerts, and I carry on with my day, and then I'll come back to the charts when my alerts have been triggered for like key levels and setups, right? And then I'll look to trade. So sitting here staring at it like this is something I don't usually do. So it takes a lot of concentration, right? To talk to you guys, non-stop talk for like 2 hours, as well as focus on like the current price action, trying to answer all your questions, trying to trade, trying to do analysis, trying to like stay focused on the charts. Like I'm not complaining, but you know, there's a lot of focus that goes on. It's either one or two things, right? I completely lock in and just do the analysis and really focus, but just completely ignore everybody in both chats on TikTok and on YouTube. Or I try and like chat a bit to you guys, answer your questions, and also try and focus on the charts as well, you know? But this is why, you know, in the past, whenever I've done actual live trading on YouTube in the past, I find it very hard because I find it very hard to focus on the charts and actually trade. Whenever I trade at home by myself, I'm very in the zone. Like I'm fully fixated to the charts. I have no distractions. I have a bit of, I'll put on like I don't know if you guys know about binaural beats, but they're like a playlist to help you focus. I have no distractions. I'm locked in on the charts. I don't know which level it is. Do you teach? What do you mean, Eden? Are we waiting for the tap and then back to the other side? Hourly has tapped back in. I mean, yeah, potentially. There's only 10 minutes left of this hourly candle though. An hour left of the 4 hour. 15. Tap back into that level. Oh, we haven't really tapped in it though. We've come close. Didn't actually tap. This right here. The ideal setup for me would have been above this level, right? That's what I was waiting for. The ideal setup would have been above here to continue, right? This was the first analysis when I first started the stream, was the hourly this hourly move up right here, this hourly candle closing above the key level, the next hourly candle tapping in and then breaking previous highs and driving up into this next level to fill this range, which is up here. It was about 35 or so pips. That was the analysis when I first started the stream. That played out beautifully, and then I was going to look for price to continue again above this level, up into, you know, potentially here and then further on into here. But obviously now price has rejected this. We're coming down a little bit, so now it's about waiting for the 30. Like I said, if this 30 closes, which should also be an hourly closure as well, but if this 30 closes, then we've got the, you know, the potential fake out. You got the closure above this level, the closure back below. You can wait for the tap in and then the continuation sell potentially. But now, you know, the fact that we didn't get the closures above this level means we just have to wait now to see how these candles form. That's just how it is. That's just trading, you know. It's just about being patient and waiting for the right opportunity to strike. So yeah. Even chill music gets me hyped up, ready to focus. Yeah. To be fair, yeah, I'm the same. Any music pretty much, like, well, not like some classical Mozart, you know, shit, but like lo-fi, binary beats, hip hop, most music, like 80s, 70s, 80s, classics, you know. What strategy am I using? CPAC. A bearish trend, I reckon. I mean, yeah, potentially overall, if you're looking at, I mean, if you're looking at the monthly, right, it's not a bearish trend. On the monthly, it's very much a bullish trend. Weekly is kind of here nor there. It's, if you're looking at the overall picture, right, weekly is clearly in direction, the bullish direction. Short term, potentially in here, right, you got these bearish candles that move to the downside. But kind of consolidating now on the weekly, right? Within this range. Try to come up, rejected, come down, try to go back up again, and rejected, come back down. So we're kind of ranging a bit in terms of the weekly. The daily, you know, also the same kind of ranging. But if you look overall, again, the current momentum and trend is very much to the upside. So, you know, like potentially if you want to look at the 4 hour, you can say, you know, current trend and momentum is to the downside, but yeah. Australian classic, Down Under. I come from a land down under. You talking about that song? When you go to the 1H and like, do you think the FPG roughly before 21 candles looks good for a sell zone? Huh? I don't FPG, I don't really. Are you talking about this one right here? Talking about in this area? Baroni. That one? I mean, yeah, potentially. I don't know. I don't really trade FPGs, bro. Well, I don't trade them at all, so can't really give advice on that, to be honest. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. I'll give you a Vegemite sandwich. I love Vegemite. GJ, yeah, let's have a look at GJ. What happened with GJ? Is it still GJ's pulling back a little bit? Okay. Why? Why, GJ? Why are you pulling back from here exactly? Nice weekly bottom wick. Right? Nice weekly bottom wick. Bullish, who knows? But why does it want to reject? What do you mean, ooh, Vegemite? Tapping on like this level in here, right, that we can see to the left is rejected over here, rejected in here. Daily's looking a bit messy. It's consolidating a little bit in here now. Come down. Okay, that's why it's rejecting from there. It's spiked out of the previous daily lows. That's why we're seeing a spike from there. Also, you know, a lot of reaction in this level in here, in here, and in here. That's why we're seeing a reaction here on GJ currently from this level. So I think what we got here, hour 12. Below, we got this level in here from the 12, which it could be tapping into and retesting, creating a top wick for the 12. It's already broke down, but 5 pips. levels. Yeah, I'll say see how GJ plays out over the next hour on the 4-hour time frame at this level, right? This 4-hour closes above this level, right? You can expect a tap back in and then a drive up into the next level potentially. But if you want to see GJ continuing bearish, you want to see it respecting this level, and then, you know, finding resistance in here and then start coming back down into these areas and beyond. But that's quite a sharp move. This is quite a sharp move for GJ, this 4-hour candle right here. So there's potential for it to come back in these areas and get taps for the rest of the week before it potentially continues the sell-off. But yeah, for right now, I would say see how this 4-hour is gonna close at this key level here. Is it gonna close above? Is it gonna close below? That's what I'll wait. What is gold doing? Still absolutely nothing. I know we're getting a bit of a bounce of this level now. Okay, very nice. Bit of a bounce. Bit of a bounce. What was it? It was in here somewhere, yeah? Why do I keep deleting this level and then adding it back in again? About in there somewhere. Very nice. I love money more. What? What's up, Deepak? No worries, Jay Smith. Alright, we've got a minute until this 30. We got a minute until this 30. But look, it's tapping into that. It's retesting that 30 low now at this point that got broken. Okay. Okay, what would you recommend? Like, I'm thinking it's a short time stop for the 4. We got New York open in 25 seconds. 25 seconds. Now we got New York open. Let's see. So now the 30, right? The 30. And now we've tapped into this level. The 30 has baked out, right? It's closed above this level, closed back below. The 5, the lower time frame, the 15 and the 5 has tested that break of structure's 30-minute low, right? Retested it. And our price come back down. But I would have wanted the next 30 to come back into here and tap, personally. But this is just New York open, New York session open. New York session open. A lot of volume coming in here. A lot of you guys still looking at the sales. Very nice. Let's go, Jayan. Nice, Matt. Matty boy. Owly is broke. Very nice. Nice, KD. Nice, boys and girls. Nice, boys and girls. Based there. Yeah. There, did it tap in? No, it didn't. Left. These levels. In we got previous state. Oh. This level as well. Am I living in UK or Dubai? No, I'm living in Australia, my guy. Australia, mate. There. I mean, look at this 8-hour candle. It's broke the lows and it's broke the highs. So, you know, the conditions aren't favorable for me right now. No clear direction. Do 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 do. I'm considering going to Dubai for a bit, but I have to stay there for at least 6 months to avoid tax. What do you mean to avoid tax? You don't want to be saying that kind of shit in... You don't want to be saying that kind of shit, bro. Taxman will be after you, bro. $15 tapping, didn't tap. The 30 closed, didn't tap. The hourly closed. I'm down here, but driving didn't tap. 2 hourly tapped. Do you sleep well? What do you mean, do I sleep well? Of course I sleep well. Do you go live every day? Yeah, live Monday to Friday on TikTok and YouTube. I'm new to trading, same way, but I'm learning as I go. Nice, James. Hi, handsome. What's up, Jay? That's free there, but you gotta stay there. Oh yeah. You enter you 6 months. Oh yeah, fair enough. What's up, Deepak? You didn't see me last Friday? Yeah, I mean, right now, I was live. Was I live Friday? I was live Friday. I was live Friday. Was I not live Friday? Oh no, I wasn't. Was I? No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't live Friday. Yeah, I had some shit to do on Friday. I'm sorry, Deepak. I'll be a better human being in the future, I promise. No, I wasn't. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, I just lost track for a second. I can feel it. All right, the 1 hour lows have been broken. We're coming back below this level now. So the question is, right? The question is, there's 51 minutes left of this 2 hour candle, right? Is this 2 hour candle just coming down to create a bottom wick to flip back bullish and continue within the next 51 minutes? Or is price going to continue bearish from here? Now, like I said, the way I was looking for sales is once this 30-minute candle closes, right, back below this level, we can get some CPAC up in this level to drive again, right? But we didn't get that. Price open for New York session open and started driving. Now we're coming back down into these levels. So if I'm gonna be looking for continuations to the downside, it would have to be at this point. We got 50 minutes left of this 4 hour candle. Can this 4 hour candle, right? This is my train of thought right now. Can this 4 hour candle flip bearish and start driving and breaking its own lows within the next 50 minutes and come down into here? Right? Can it do that? Can the next 50 minutes of this 4 hour candle do that? Right? Which it would have to do that in 1 hourly candle as well, right? This is the hourly candle. This hourly candle would have to come down here, flip, come below this level and start driving down here. Is it going to do that? It can. I'm not sure if it will though. So in that case, we need to think, well, where, if this is a short-term pullback for price to, on the 4 hour, eventually close bullish again, right? What could it be doing right now? And that would have to be, if I look at the daily, we've come back down to daily open, right? The current daily candle open right here. Current daily candle open. We're flipping bearish again. Kind of on that verge of tapping in this level, right? We're flipping bullish, flipping bearish on the daily perspective. So what we can look at is lower time frame price action right now, right? You can see the 5 minutes closed below. It's now tapped in, right? And if it starts breaking these lows right here, there's a chance it can start coming down even more, right? Which would then play out like it currently is. So in that case, the next level it would come down and tap into would have to be down here. And what would that mean? What is this level? That is weekly lows, not the previous weekly lows, but the previous weekly lows, which we saw that big bearish sell-off from. So if we can get taps of that level, surely at this point it can. We got 15 closures in about 3 minutes. Let's see how this 15 closes here in 3 minutes. Does this 15 have a top wick? It has a very small top wick. And I would say where then I would look to sell potentially is within this range. That is what would make sense to me personally of my strategy. But like I said, with the 2-hour time frame, right? Is the 4-hour candle right now in the next 50 minutes going to reject all the way down, flip bearish, start breaking its own lows and come down into here? I mean, it can, but what that would be about a 62 pip move. It can happen. The 2-hour would have to come below this level, break its own low, start coming down. The hourly would have to just have one huge hourly candle of about 93 pips in the next 46 minutes. One minute just red, red, red. So let's see how this 15 starts to form. We got a minute 36 of this 15. If the daily, right, the daily has flipped bearish now. If the daily starts driving here at this point. "30 seconds for a 15 closure." Alright, so 15 closed below. 4 is rejecting. What time frame, Jordan? Fat Tie, appreciate the diamonds, man. Appreciate the diamonds, man. All right, let's see if the 15 can tap in to here. See if the 15 can tap in. Hella slow today, man. What's up, Raheem? What's Forrest Gump's password, Cody? One Forrest one. Yeah, I was gonna say that. I was literally just saying one Forrest one when I saw you type it in the chat. Give us a setup tour? What do you mean a setup tour? Like of my setup? It's just screens, bro. YouTube chat. This monitor. This is the charts monitor. And then on my laptop is the TikTok chat. That's it, man. That's it. Empty ass room. That's it. It's my office. Just my desk in the corner. And now I gotta fix this camera again. Just a room with a desk and some monitors in it. That's it. And a lamp. Out the 15 is not gonna tap. Come on now. Why bite my nails? I've been biting my nails since I was 13 years old. It's a habit. It's a bad habit. I was running how many screens? Yeah, 3. Mainly for the stream though, Philly. Only the 3 screens for the stream. If you like, you don't need that many screens to trade, right? You just need 1. One. But yeah, we're 1 trade away potentially from the 60k mark. 1 trade away. 1 trade away. How many trades did you guys take in May? How many trades did you take? I took 19 trades in May. And 20 in April, very consistent. Look at that. 16 in March and 23 in Feb. Very consistent around, apart from Jan, because Jan was start of the year, it was crazy. I was trying to capture those, you know, those New Year market open moves. But 23, 16, 20, 19, very consistent around that 20-ish mark each month. 100 in May? You took 100 trades? God damn, bro. All right, there we go. There's the tap. I took 36 trades for many 24 winner, 12 losses for May 24. Oh, nice, Deepak. Let's go, bro. You take 19 in an hour? Yeah, I know you did. Can you show us OB order block? I don't use order blocks. What's up, BRY? 21 loss, 79 win. Nice. Must be a millionaire, Coco. Must be a millionaire, broski. How do you work out where the order blocks are? I don't use order blocks, man. Hundreds because I'm a noob. 1 to 2 scored. Nice, Deepak. $30-minute, yeah. That 30-minute didn't have much of a top wick, that's why. 5 minutes left. Price action is nothing with OB. What do you mean? Haven't done any trades today? Yeah, I mean, up to you. Up to you, Jordan. Up to you, bro. I'm done for the day, man. I'm done. I'm up. I'm up nice. When was that? So I started trading. I got onto the charts today at 3 p.m. and by about an hour and 15 minutes work, hour and 30 minutes ish, 1.4k done. An hour of work for 1.4k done for the day. Easy. Well, it's not easy, but you know what I mean. All right, so this is what we talked about. This is what I talked about before, right? Is it likely that this 4-hour candle is going to continue bearish, flipping bearish, breaking its own lows and continuing bearish? Not likely, right? And now look at this 2-hour as well. Remember we said on the 2-hour, creating the current uptrend, and this 2-hour can just be creating a bottom wick to eventually flip bullish in the next 50 minutes. We got 34 minutes still left of this 2-hour candle. Yeah, if it starts coming up here and breaking these highs, then good chance that you continue bullish here. Look, we're straight back up at this zone now. Straight back up in this area. How quickly things change. All right, we're back into this level again. Good night, Jay. How did you do that? How did you start a new table? What do you mean, ASY? On market, yeah, the comics open. Oh, from Romania. What's up from Romania, man? I took Today I took one trade in pre-London at 3:30 Sydney time. Got $5 run on sale from 2320 to 315. I took it on your breakout strategy. Oh, nice, Deepak. Give a trace quickly by ear. Nice, bro. All right, let's see. We've got 2 minutes for a 15:30 closure potentially. Of this level, last 30 of the 4-hour. Can the last 30 of the 4-hour candle continue? And where can it continue into? Is the question. Where can it continue into? I can feel it. Let me have a look at this level. You know what? I'm not interested in this one anymore. All right, I'm not interested. I'm just going to mark out this one. This just looks messy, but let's see. $30K likes. Sheesh, we're on 21K likes. That's insane. Let's go, Ahmad. My guy. All right, so it's respected this level again. No closure above again. So I guess we wait for a 5. Can we get a tap? Can we get a tap down into here first of all? Can we get a tap down into there first of all? We can't. What's up, Ahmad? What's your question, bro? Okay, we got a tap into this level. Got a tap in. Very nice. Now we just need to see some closures above this level. All right, we need to see closures above now. Closures above. You want to see a closure above. You want to see a tap again. And you want to see price start driving. Only thing is, we've got about 28 minutes left of this 4-hour candle. How far in the next 28 minutes can this candle start to push? Did I watch the UCL final? I didn't. I watched the highlights. I didn't watch the game. Does the algo draw the horizontal lines? Yeah, not every single one of them, but majority of them, yeah. Mana and Innocent. I didn't realize you guys sent diamonds, man. I appreciate you guys. Do I invest in crypto? I used to. I haven't in a while though. Drive. What crypto? This isn't the crypto. This is XAUUSD. Yo, Firu, appreciate the sub. Let's go, my guy. Firu, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Someone's taking buys on the indicator and watching me at the same time. Look at that. Oh, is that why people like watching on TikTok? Is this what you guys are doing on TikTok? You're watching the TikTok like this and then trading as well? All right, can it tap in? Can the 5 minute tap in? Need this 5 to come down and tap in. There we go. Just tap in. Can it flip bullish? Can it flip bullish and come and fill the range? Can it flip bullish and come and fill the range up into these areas now? 25 minutes left of the 4-hour candle. It's something we need to be very wary of. Oh, gold has been a bit slow. Hasn't been the greatest today at all. 30, we've got 23 minutes left. 2 hourly, broke the highs. Okay, tap down, close above, tap, tap, tap. 4-hour pushing, tapping into this level. Let's see what happens. What do you mean, SBO Matt? What do you mean, bro? Any form of investment? User Nico, appreciate the follows. Is there any war news? Yeah, big Jono. Big Jono. Salvi, appreciate the follow. User Nico, appreciate the follows. Do I trade for people and take 50-50 profit? No, I don't. Navman, appreciate the follow. Now just remember the 4-hour candle, as always, right, needs to leave some kind of top wick, right? So if we're gonna push up into these levels, it needs to happen like now or in the next like 10 minutes, right? And then it can tap into here, leave a rejection similar to what you will see in these previous 4-hour candles, right? Rejection, close bullish but leave a top rejection wick. Same as up here, close bullish, leaving a top rejection, top rejection, top rejection, top rejection, top. All these 4-hour bullish candles leaving top rejection wick. So you can anticipate that this 4-hour candle is going to do the same, right? So if the analysis is going to play out and we're going to come up and tap into these levels, the closer we get to the 4-hour closing in about 20 minutes, the less likely this will play out. So you want to see this tapping like now, soon, right? And once, if price can tap into here, then you can see that rejection forming on the 4-hour time frame. Is this GME? No, this is XAUUSD. Which one? This is, yeah, XAUUSD, guys. XAUUSD. Yeah, this is my only account, Bele. If someone messaged me saying your name and offer me to invest, yeah, that's not me, guys. If anybody messages you first pretending to be me, it is not me. All right, it's not me. I will never message you first. Yeah, I do, Big John. I do. Yes, I do, Matt. Yeah, this is TradingView. Joe Biden? What about Joe Biden? Can we see 2, 3, 3, 4, 8, 90? Can we see it? Got 3 minutes till a 15 closure. Not very long, Jordan. Not very long, bro. I'm waiting to see. For trading from the phone, which platform you think is good? Yeah, MetaTrader 5, but you can still do your analysis on the TradingView app. But you want to be entering trades, yeah, you want to be looking at MT5. Is this wick right here? What's that from? That previous 2-hour high. What we're currently tapping off right now and rejecting. 5 is closed below, so you want to see this 5 tap back in. $15 minutes left until the 4-hour closure. What app is this? This is I was about to say this is TikTok. This is MetaTrader. Sorry, this is not MetaTrader. This is TradingView. Fucking hell. I've still got that, guys. I'm reading Jordan's message saying MetaTrader 5 in the YouTube chat and answering the questions on TikTok. Squizzy. Yo, Squizzy, is that you, bro? Is that the real Squizzy? Are you back? Bele, potentially soon. Yeah, potentially soon. I'm setting something up, but I'm just waiting to see first. We got a 15 closure here. 15 closure. Gonna do one of two things. Come down and tap back in here. Spike up. Or you're gonna see now price close. Got the fake out, the closure above. Now it's gonna come back, close back below this level. Again, talking about the 4-hour, right? The 4-hour needs to leave some kind of rejection. So we've got 15 minutes left of this 4-hour. Can it drive up? Can it tap in? Or we're going to see that potentially in the next 4-hour candle. 15 is tapped. The 15 is tapped. Can it now flip bullish? Can it now flip bullish and tap into the overall level? 2334890. Now, at this point, we can see it. We've got 13 minutes left of this 4-hour candle. There just hasn't really been much going on for me here today, unfortunately. Price just took way too long to come back into this level. come back up now, but again, it's come back up right at the end of the 4-hour candle. So you can anticipate if this 4-hour candle is going to close bullish, the next 4-hour candle is going to open up, create a bottom wick at some point, come down, create a bottom wick before it potentially continues bullish, right? So you can anticipate now a bit of a pullback, right? After this 4-hour candle closes, potentially. You might see it spike up first of all and then come down or whatever, but eventually you can anticipate that the 4-hour is going to make some kind of bottom wick before potentially continuing to drive up, maybe all the way down, and come all the way down and tap into 2328 965 potentially. Where am I from? I'm living in Australia at the moment, but I'm from UK originally. What's up, Mike? What's up, Mike Leonard? What's up, bro? Song currently? I don't know, just some YouTube playlist, man. Some YouTube audio library playlist. He's going to drop? I don't know, Squizzy. At the moment, we're just anticipating the you know, the potential tap into this area, but 4-hour closures coming in 10 minutes. Man Eater, appreciate the follows. On Andre, appreciate the follows. On TikTok, let's go. Strategy CPAC, price action. Code is price action concepts. Yeah, XAUUSD. We are live on YouTube as well. If you guys from TikTok want to come over, see all the levels, the full chart, come over to the YouTube channel Forex with Odie. Can we see the tap? Can we see it? What's my win rate? Win rate is currently 66.98 for the year. Your levels are clean. Where would one learn that? Just use higher time frames, John. Use daily, weekly levels. Go on the daily and weekly time frame. Just start marking out the weekly highs, the weekly lows, weekly opens, weekly closes, daily highs, daily lows, daily opens, daily closes. Start marking out all these levels, and you'll see how well price plays around these levels. Can you give us a tap? About 4 or 5 pips away. We got 7 minutes till a 4-hour closure. The reason for this idea, if you have a look to the left, right, if we're having a look at the current price action here, okay? The last time price was moving up like this in this direction towards this level, this current level that we see marked out right here, right? And then this level, if we have a look over here to the left, the same kind of movement happening here, moving up, right, into this level. You can see the 15 closed above this level right here. This next 15 came in and tapped and then drove up into this level, tapped this level and even beyond, right? So that was the thinking. It happened, you know, on multiple occasions, right? Here as well, you can see price closing above on the 15 here, right? And then tapping in on the next 15 and then driving up and tapping into that next level, right? Multiple times. Closing above, tapping in, driving up into that next level. Same thing here, right? Closed above, tapped in the next 15, drove up into that level and again beyond. So whenever price likes to close bullish above this level, right? This level right here, you can tend to see once price taps back in, okay? Make sure you guys on the TikTok can see that. Once price taps back in, and you start breaking the highs, you can come up then into that next key level, right? That was the anticipation on this. The only thing with this was that the 4-hour closure was in, you know, the next 15-minute candle. So it's likely the 4-hour is going to create some kind of rejection wick, similar to what we see down here, right? Before it closes bullish, similar to what we see on most 4-hour bullish candles. As you can see right here, rejection wick, top wick, right? You see after top wick, top wick, top wick, top wick, top. So you can anticipate that before this 4-hour candle closes in 4 minutes, you can potentially see some kind of rejection wick in here, right? That was the only issue with this trade. Can it tap though? Can it tap? It's going to give us a quick tap. Tap and reject. Do you think manufacturer news will affect gold? Yeah, of course, it's going to have some kind of effect. I wouldn't imagine it would be a huge reaction or effect on gold, but there will be some, for sure. Who changes the gold prices? What do you mean, Cases Lee? Price action? Yeah, price action. Price action. But that was the analysis, guys. If you guys, you know, if you were, for those asking, it was just based on previous levels, right? Again, same thing over here. Once price closed bullish above this level, this 15-minute candle right here, the next 15 tapped in to this level and then broke the highs and drove up into this level, right? like 30 or so pips, right? Me, I'm a scalper, right? I'm looking for 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 pips, really. So these kind of moves in between these zones are perfect for me, right? It depends what kind of trader you are. Scalper, swing trader, whatever it may be. But most times when price closes above this level and the next 15 taps in and then starts breaking highs and driving up, we tap into this level and above, like this overall area, right? That was the process. That was the thought. And what happens after that, I don't care, right? From this level to this level, that's all I'm interested in. Price taps in here, rejects and starts coming all the way down, I don't care. All my analysis is coming from A into B, right? Making profits and getting out of the market. That's it. I want to get into trading but only have 200 AUD to start with. Do you think that's okay to start? Eden, wrong thought process there, man. If you're only getting into trading, you shouldn't be thinking about investing any money anytime soon. Focus on education, focus on the knowledge, focus on the understanding of the market. If you want to put money into the market straight away when you've only just got into trading, there is probably a 90% chance or higher that you're just going to lose that money straight away. So if I was you, I would hold on to your money, put it in your pocket, put it back in your bank, hold on to it, get some proper education, go on YouTube, watch some streams like this, ask some questions, get familiar with trading, and then go from there, bro. It's only lagging for you, my brother. Oh, that was, yeah, the 2, 3, 3, 4, 890 is just a target. It's just a level I got from the daily, I think. Hey, just based on like all these rejection wicks in here. All right, there we go. It tapped. It tapped. It tapped in. We got the move. We got the move. A to B. At 25 pips. Some of them are zero. Some of them are. If I turn it on, these levels are indicator levels. You just have to look back. There we go. There's the tap. That's all I wanted to see. We got the tap in. We went from A to B. It took its time. It took its time, but it got there. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Now what? Now we wait and see what happens at this level, right? Does price, now you can wait for closures above this level for price to continue, and then you look for your next targets, right? We just do it level by level, step by step. First, we got this level where price is rejecting. You get the closure above, the tap in, and the drive into the next level. Now look, price is rejecting, okay? So we just go from level to level. That's it. What happened here last time? The last time we got this move from this level to this level, look what happened. Price closed above. You get the tap, so you get the closure, you get the tap, you get the drive up into that next kind of area in here. Price closes above, closes back below, and then sells off heavily, right? So at this point, we just need to be careful, wait and see what happens. Wait for closures above, key closures. If we look at the 30, the last time price was in here, over here, where on the 15-minute, it closed above and then closed back below, right? If you go to the 30-minute time frame, at that point, the 30-minute is just rejections in there now, right? So if you can get a 30-minute closure above this level, right, and then the next 30 to come down and tap in here, and then you can anticipate then the drive to the upside, right? And then you could target the next level, which would be, I don't even know, like this, I think. Would have to be the next level, in my opinion. A lot of rejection in here, though. Look at this daily time frame. Look at the rejections in here. So that was that move done, right? Just simply based off of those previous price action levels, from going from multiple occasions, going from this level, closing above, tapping in, driving up to the next level, closing above, tapping in, driving up to the next level, closing above, tapping in, driving up to the next level. And then the same again over here, right? Closing above, tapping in, driving up to the next level. And it happened again. It played out exactly the same again, right? Closed above, tapped in, drove up to that next level. So that was a nice range to take advantage of. About 30 pip, 33 pip move in all, in total. But yeah, now, like I said, what happens once price comes into this level? Again, if we have a look back, came back into this level over here on the 15, sold off. Came back into this level, sold off, sold off. Eventually sold off back down into here, right? Over here again, came back into this level, sold off. So will history repeat itself? Will this sell off now from this level? Or will it continue bullish? We have to wait and see. We have to wait for closures. But on that note, guys, we got the taps. That's all I was waiting for. I was waiting for price to come from A into B. We got it. Played out beautifully. That's it. I'm done. I'm done. Just look, mark up these zones. Look back at previous price action and look for price to repeat itself over and over again. Right? Simple. But I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow. Same time, 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time, for a couple hours. Thank you guys for the follows on TikTok and all the comments and diamonds and likes. 27,000 likes, insane. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's go, K-Car. Patience paid off, right? When did we start the stream? We started the stream at 8. It's now 11. 3 hours, right? Almost 3 hours. Waiting for something to form. We got the closures above, the tap in, and then the tap at the next level. Now look, price is tapped in, rejecting, it's coming down. This is what I talked about then on the 4-hour perspective, right? The 4-hour candle, creating some sort of bottom wick, potentially now coming to tap into either here or in here, taps, or potentially continuing bullish, right? So you can look for, if you start getting closures below here, you can potentially look for that next range to be filled down here to create a bottom wick, tap into this level. If price starts coming up and closing above here now on like the 15, 30 hourly, then you can just anticipate that price can close above and continue up into the next. Right. That's that. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will be live tomorrow, same time. Thank you guys for all the comments on YouTube and the likes. And yeah, appreciate you guys. See you tomorrow. Studio mode.